Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I love to be organized, especially in my craft room. And this Elizabeth Ward bead storage tray has been an absolute excellent solution for those tiny little beads or sequins. It has 78 compartments. I love to have them aligned by color so they look so pretty, but the fact that the top cover is clear allows me to be able to see what I'm looking for easily. And the side handles are so secure. And it's just nice when I want to reach for some sequins or beads. I can just slide this tray right off my shelf and look and just easily see what I have and what I need for a particular project. I love being organized with this Elizabeth Ward bead storage tray. It's such an excellent solution to keep all my beads and sequins in order. I can see what I have and it keeps them together. So I know exactly where to go when I need some extra special touches to add to my cards or scrapbooking. And that's my point of view.